Greetings, my name is Rakesh Kormokar and presently I am an undergraduate student at AIUB pursuing my computer science and engineering degree, and I will be specializing in both software engineering as well as information system. Some of my key attributes includes being analytical, a problem solver and a critical thinker. My key area of interest includes software and web development, software engineering, machine learning and data science. I have developed numerous skills in various programming languages and technologies including ASP.NET, C#, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP, AngularJS, and for the purpose of data science and machine learning, I have developed my skill set in Python, R programming and many more. Some of my notable projects include developing a healthcare management system, a farm management system and a tour planner and guide system. I have also achieved several academic awards and honors such as Dean's List Award and achieved numerous achievements in various competitions. Looking ahead, my career plan is to leverage my comprehensive academic background and hands-on project experience to contribute to innovative and challenging software development projects as well as numerous AI-related researches. I am strongly committed to continuous learning and professional growth.